I won't comment on this. It's a waste of time for me. I won't comment on this. It's a waste of time for me. It's a waste of time for me.
Question नहीं ले सकते. Any other brand related questions we have?
I know it's a little bit, but it's a genuine important question.
It has. हाँ.
You have that.
Is it?
Is it related to the brand?
Just give me a
We really won't
He's
be
a
able
very
to get
intelligent man. He will answer it.
No, but it has to be. I'm supposed to speak about the
Yes.
brand, so
I
we'll stick to the
completely
brand.
agree, but just it's a little important. So have you?
I may not. I may choose not to comment if it's outside the brand. Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
So there have been reports that in the terms of the Me Too movement, you have taken a strong stand and have decided to drop Vicky Sarana's name in the wake of the allegations that has come against him. Maybe you want to say something about it?
Not on this stage. Not on this stage. Yes, there is a platform to talk about it, and I totally respect it. But on this stage, I'd like to just speak about the brand that I'm here to endorse. Thank you so much.
2018 has been a great year for you. Two big releases, Parmanu, which is your production, did extremely well. Satyamev Jayate broke all records in terms of box office. How do you see the year yourself, and how do you see 2019 shaping up for you?
19 is going to be my best year.
Perfect.
It's fantastic.
Okay, let's go to the next question.
नहीं शुरू हुई है August 15 को रिलीज होगी.
Alright, any brand
Which is my date. जी. I'd like to speak about the brand क्योंकि आज बहुत ही स्पेशल ओकेजन हमारे लिए है. It's a great opportunity for you guys also. आप इसको ट्राई करें. Nice word, yummy.
जॉन, कुछ फिल्मों की भी बात करें ना, मतलब इतना तो पूछ लिया, कुछ बताइए आने वाली फिल्मों के बारे में कितना.
I have Raw releasing next. उसके बाद बाटला हाउस और उसके बाद अनीस भाई के साथ मेरी फिल्म शुरू हो रही है कॉमेडी.
धूम सीरीज में आना चाहेंगे आप?
I don't know. If offered, we'll see.
क्योंकि
Are you going to offer me that role?
सर मैं प्रोड्यूसर नहीं.
तो मैं भी नहीं हूँ.
We would love to offer you.
मैं भी नहीं हूँ, so I can't say much. I'm the actor on that, so I can't say much. So as a producer, I will make films like Vicky Donor, Madras Cafe, Parmanu, Batla House. That is my space. Because I think today the audience likes content. And I can, as a producer and actor, I can only give content and I enjoy that. If you see Raw or you see Batla House, you'll understand what I'm saying. And I said this about Parmanu also. I said I'm going to give you content and you see Raw. You see Batla House. It's so high on content and I'm very, very proud of it. That's what I'll give you. I do not know about box office. I cannot tell you about box office. But I can promise you, you'll walk out saying it's an honest film. It's an honest film.
Super, one last.
John, how brand conscious are you? What is the kind of research you do from your team before getting associated with the brand?
Yeah, good question. I endorse brands that I believe in. I won't endorse brands just for the sake of money. Very simple. So if it's this protein cookie, I believe in this brand. I think it's tasty and I think it's healthy and I think it's nutritious. So I'm endorsing it.
There has always been a debate as to whether if a brand goes wrong in the kind of promises that it makes and if the consumers don't find it to be very good, should the celebrity be held accountable for it, the one who is endorsing the brand?
Not necessarily unless it's been positioned in a way where the celebrity is giving a wrong message out there. Here we are giving a very clear message. We're giving facts about this. For example, I'm talking about this. We're saying there's no maida in this because there is no maida in this. We're saying there is no trans fat because there is no trans fat. We're saying there's proteins, there's fiber, there is omega-3, there's everything else which actually does exist in this. So what we're telling you is, we're not forcing you to have it. We're saying it's a fantastic alternative. Why would you pick up a regular biscuit when you've got a better alternative today and it's tasty? So that's the only. So I think I agree with you at points of time. If a celebrity does not do his homework well, he could be held accountable, but not in this case.
Last question. Who wants to take it?
Sir, New Year के क्या plans है sir?
The shooting.
Christmas, New Year.
Nikhil Advani is making me shoot till 31st December, and I'm shooting from 2nd Jan on.
Any wishes?
Christmas, how will you be celebrating?
Shooting.
Any wishes for the viewers?
I'd love to wish the viewers Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope everybody works hard.
Okay, alright.
Energy to do more.